A little bit of a different video coming your way today from the Silly Kitchen. I am unboxing my package that I just received from Medium Rare. But before I open this, I do want to tell you how this all kind of came to be, because it's a little serendipitous and kind of cool. I have been shopping online looking for aprons and chef apparel and just trying to see what I can do to jazz up my look for my YouTube videos. And I just haven't really had any luck. I haven't found anything that I fell in love with, and you know, just kind of whatever. Haven't really purchased anything. So I was on a patio very recently supporting a local restaurant here because our patios are now open. I noticed that the servers were all wearing these really cool aprons and they looked really durable but stylish, and I happened to just ask our server, hey, where do you guys get your aprons? So she actually brought out the manager, and the manager told me about this company called Medium Rare. I hadn't heard of them. They're a Canadian company, which is really cool because I'm Canadian and I love supporting our local and Canadian products. So I wrote down the name, Medium Rare, made sure that I was gonna look it up after the weekend. And I wake up the next morning and in my Instagram inbox is a message and a couple notifications from Medium Rare. I hadn't had a chance to look them up yet. I had a bit of a busier weekend, just enjoying the sunshine and the weather. And it was just so weird. I looked back and I'm like, did I message them? Did I go like them? Did something happen? But just from this 24 hours from going to a restaurant, talking about these cool aprons, and then all of a sudden they're in my inbox. So of course, I had to get my hands on an apron. I had to make sure that I was gonna check out this awesome company because I already saw the product in real life at a store, and I'm like, yes, I need this in my life. So without further ado, let's open. Oh, that was loud. Okay, I put the box over top just to make it more dramatic, but it came like this in a beautiful package. And can we just put a little bit of awesomeness and take a look at this beautiful artwork that they have just on their shipping packages? Like, how cool is that? I love it already. So guys, I haven't opened this, like I haven't had a sneak peek yet, and you're gonna see my immediate reaction. I'm really excited. So the one thing I've learned with opening packages that have apparel in it, you want to be really careful so that you don't actually cut into any of the stuff that's inside. So I'm just gonna make a little cut and a little rip. Oh my god! Dun, da, da, da. It's beautifully packaged. I love this already. Oh my god! And it's like the coolest color that's gonna match the Silly Kitchen too. And it says outfitting the food revolution right on here. Oh guys, it's like, it's so durable. Like, I love the material. Adjustable straps I can see already. Oh my god. Oh my god, I want to put it on, I want to put it on, I want to put it on. Look at this beauty. Okay. Get it over my bun, that's important. Oh yeah, oh, the straps are really nice and sturdy too. How does it look, guys? Wait, can you even see me? Okay, okay, hold on, hold on. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm already in love. I'm so excited that I got this apron. Oh, look guys, they sent me a little face mask too. That is so cool, because you know what? Right now, where I am living, it is really important that everybody wears a face mask when they go indoors. So this is perfect. I love this company already. This is really cool. Well guys, I'm gonna check this out a little bit closer. I'm gonna read any of the information that they sent me with it just to see about how to wash it and what to do with it to keep it as beautiful as it came. And stay tuned, I'll probably be posting lots of fun pictures of me in this cool apron, and you'll probably see it on the show the next few episodes. I'll also put a link in the description of this video with a link to their website in case you want to check out what they have to offer. They have lots of different chef jackets, apparel, aprons, t-shirts, all different kinds of stuff. Thanks again for tuning into another episode of The Silly Kitchen. More recipes and more cool stuff coming your way.